Hello, this is James from Bad Cat, and today I'm going to show you how you can find the control panel in Windows 10. Now, the control panel in previous incarnations of Windows is where we got a lot of work done when we wanted to change our system settings. And usually you could just click on the start button and somewhere you would find a reference to control panel. But not anymore with Windows 10. If we have a look, we've got here, there's no control panel there at all. We have a settings option which takes us to the new Windows 10 settings panel, which is what Microsoft want us to use now instead of control panel. And as we get more and more upgrades, we'll see more and more of the features that we usually use will be found here in the settings panel. But there's quite a lot that's actually missing from here, and perhaps if you're like me, you prefer the old-fashioned control panel. Well, actually it is still here in Windows 10, and I'm going to show you how easy it is just to find that. And we need to come back down to our start button, but instead of clicking with the left button, just click with your right mouse button and you'll get this quick access menu. You see there's quite a more detailed menu there than we've had in past versions of Windows. And if you notice, sort of 3/4 of the way down, just over half the way down, there is a reference to control panel. And if we click on that, we see that we get to the good old-fashioned control panel that we're familiar with. And a quick cursory glance across that hasn't really changed since Windows 7. So that's how we get to the control panel. Alternatively, as we've said, we can use the settings option here on the start menu, or you can come across down to the action center. We click on our icon there and we see we have the all settings tile, which if we click that, we come back to this new settings area. And it's well worth getting familiar with this area, because more and more features will be put into this, will be moved from control panel into settings. And here we can see we can get a lot of our basic tasks done. If we want to personalize our desktop in any way, we can do that here. If you want to add a device, a Bluetooth device or a printer or anything like that, we can change the settings in there. This is where we go to do our updates. If we want to run Windows Update, we can run it from there. And there's other things too. And don't forget, if ever there's a setting that we just cannot find anywhere, then we can always use the search box up in the top corner here, find a setting. As an example, let's say we want to change our mouse pointer. Well, I type in mouse, and it searches for all the different things we might want to do in connection with our mouse, and that change how the mouse pointer looks. If we click that, there's our mouse pointer box, and we can get to do whatever we want to do there. So it's great. This is a handy little, get me out of trouble search box if you're looking for something that you need to do, a setting that you need to change. Just search for it there in the search box. But if you're not too happy with that, then once again, right click on the start button, click control panel, and we're there as quick as a flash. So that's how we find our control panel in Windows 10. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, as there'll be more tutorials for Windows 10 coming very soon.